So I purchased these Bell & Howell micro ultrasonic pest repellers. All you do is plug it in, and supposedly it drives pests out of your home. It says it repels unwanted pests fast and effective, safe ultrasonic waves. Plug it in, drive pests out, chemical and odor free. So we have some mice in a wall in one of our rooms. So I want to plug this in and see if it repels the mice. So these are the 3 units that came in the package. We got it for $10. These are made by Bell & Howell. When the unit is active, this red light will come on after you plug it in, and it will emit ultrasonic waves that will supposedly drive out any mice or rats that could be in the walls of your home, or it would prevent them from even nesting in the walls of your home. So let's give it a shot. We've been hearing some scratching in these walls over here in this bedroom, and we have a plug right up here. It's right about ground level, so I'm going to plug this guy in, and as you can see, the red light flashes. Hopefully that won't be a problem for people sleeping in this room. But there are supposedly little speakers inside the unit that emit a high-pitched ultrasonic wave that the rodents can hear, but not humans. So hopefully this does the trick. I guess at this point it's just a waiting game.